Hello all, welcome to my channel Career Good. In today's video, what we're going to discuss about is another scholarship providing platform, which is Vidyasaarathi Scholarship providing website. And this is an initiative of Central Government of India where the corporates will come to help the students to pursue their education and their dream career. So I'm also an awardee of the scholarship. I will drive into this video and tell you how I applied for the scholarship by step, and I will also tell the tips and trick how to apply and get a scholarship on this website. So now let us type Vidyasaarathi. Now you can click on the first link, then you have to continue the disclaimer, then give login, then I will log in with my email ID and password. Then I need to enter my captcha. User already logged in. Yes, I want to override the session. I need to enter the captcha again. The system is busy. Try after some time. Usually this is the usual bug that we'll be getting very often. Now I just try with my Gmail account. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, the system is busy. Okay, let me try it again with my captcha again. If you're getting that error, you do not need to panic for that. You can try on and you will definitely able to get login. If not, just try after some 10 to 15 minutes or some 1 hour later also. It's not an issue. Once you log in, you can see your dashboard here. Here you can see my name as Sundarali, my applicant ID and all those stuffs. And here you can see my dashboard where my what are the scholarship have been applied. It will be displayed over here, and you can see some icons over here like search and apply schemes. You have to apply your profile is incomplete. Please complete your profile to apply to the schemes. So you need to update your profile to 100 percentage, then only you could able to apply for the scholarships. My profile is now 77 percentage completed. Since I've completed my UG degree, I'm not doing my PG, so I can't able to edit my profile further. Uh, you have to fill all your personal details and all those stuffs and your current academic details. In your current academic details, you have to fill your graduate course level and your course name and the scholarship that you're applying for and your state. Sorry, not your name of the institute. Sorry, let me come again. Okay. Under the current academic details, you have to fill your course level or whether you are in a pre-primary, primary, and all the stuff which is suitable for you. You can. I'm in UG. Then you can. What's your specialization? You can give your. If you are doing BSc mathematics, you have to give BSc mathematics. If you are doing BE engineering, BE computer science, give BE computer science, and your name of your college, then the state, and your tuition fees. And you have to note the things that is entered in the back brackets. That please note that the amount entered must match with the receipts. So what are the document that you are going to what to say apply in this website, it should be matched with what you're giving manually. So everything will be verified, then only your scholarship amount will be credited. So you have to be very careful while entering all those details. The form which you are going to submit will reflect should reflect what you're manually returning. Okay, then same for non-tuition fees. Tuition fees is your actually entered in your fee receipt, right? So and then the non-tuition fees is like the book fees, note fees, all those stuffs come under that, and you need to enter that also. Then you have to give your total current fees. And there will be another question like, are you in receipt of of any other scholarship from government or any other institution? If yes, give yes, or no, you can give no. If yes means you have to mention the details of that scholarship and name of the scholarship and also the amount. And there's another section called current education details. If you're in first year of engineering, if you have completed your first year, you have to give that I've completed my first year. Then what are the marks that you have scored in your first year, and what's your CGP and the current year mark sheet, which you have previous semester mark sheet. You have to enter, and you have to give the save button. Then your profile will get saved, and you can see this. Yeah, if you have completed fully, then your profile will show 100% completed. Since I have not completed fully, it has shown 77 percentage completed. Once you have completed 100 percentage, then it will automatically move you to the search and apply schemes. And if you go to that means you can apply. There will be a list of scholarship which will be listed over here, and you can apply for those scholarships. Then okay, you can go to the profile section and update. Then uh, you can see another tab called my grievance. I have raised some tickets. You can, if you have any issues regarding any scholarship in this platform, you can raise a ticket and get your doubts to be clarified. I have actually raised multiple tickets on this platform to check my scholarship status, whether it has been dispersed or not, what the progress I have been now raised multiple tickets. For example, you can see this ticket, and this is regarding my scholarship application for um, a JSW Udan relaunching scholarship, and it is regarding my payment details. So, uh, many a times different status will be mentioned in the scholarship application status. So if you are having any query, you can feel free to ask them. They will definitely reply you at the earliest. And I have raised this ticket on 26th April 2022. On 20th April I received a reply from them. So they will respond very quickly, so it's not a burden for you to think a lot. Definitely you can get support from them. And again, I will come to my dashboard screen. Here you can see the number of scholarship that you have applied for, and these are the scholarship which I have been applied. You can see, as I told, right, the application status. If your scholarship is has been considered for the credentials, or if you are an shortlisted for any scholarship, there will be an status like this is the first step. Actually, application is in progress. If you got shortlisted, it will get a status like you are being shortlisted. Then if the background verification is in process, then they will give us background check is in progress. And if the corporate has sanctioned your amount, then payment file will be generated. That is one of the what do you say, that is one of the status. And if the amount has been final disbursement, they will give the status as disbursed. For example, I will show my status in one thing. Yeah, you can see under this Pragati scholarship, I have been an awardee for the scholarship amount 30,000, and it has been disbursed. The money has been sanctioned in my account. Likewise, you can see several things to be happening. And yeah, that's it. And please guys utilize this website for applying for scholarship, and do get benefit of it, because government is doing a lot of things for the students of India to pursue their education and to achieve their dreams. So please utilize it. And thanks for watching. If you find this video to be useful, do share it with your friends, colleagues and relatives, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.